Let us start now. Good afternoon. Once again, welcome all of you. And in the today session, we discuss how to allotment of IP automatically to the users. For example, when you connected to Wi-Fi in your campus, either your home, yeah, any location, when you connect your phone, tablet, laptop to the internet, so already we discussed that without IP address, we can't communicate to each other in the current telecommunication, either you say new data communication network. Same as if two people communicate to each other, so definitely if a human in old time, and you are lucky that currently you have dialing system facilities on your mobile phone, other landline phone, you directly dial to the concerned person number and communicate to each other. आज आप बहुत ही लकी हैं कि आपको ये भी जानकारी है कि नंबर कैसे डायल करते हैं एक दूसरे को. बट अपकमिंग टाइम nobody dial to each other. Upcoming, I think next 2 or 3 year, they are directly communicate PC to PC. Like this time, we are communicate through the Zoom ID. So here is no number dialing system. Directly, I share one the link. You just click on the link and communicate to the each other. Okay. Uh, so definitely our communication system currently in place of phone, it may be computer, it may be mobile phones, it may be other smart devices. So if one smart device to another smart device communicate, so definitely IP address required. But in the real world, when I connected to the Wi-Fi, nobody uh, put IP address in your mobile phone or laptop. So definitely in your network, there is one mechanism is available, automatically allotment of IP to the client. So this mechanism, automatic allotment of IP, is known as DSCP. DSCP. What is the DSCP? DSCP is the simply full form, each and everyone very well known. Full form of the DSCP is the dynamic host configuration protocol. Second is that automatic allotment of IP to automatic allotment of IP to users. You may say new word clients, no problem. Okay. So this mechanism, it is work of राउटर. राउटर का बहुत सारा काम होता है, ठीक है ना. तो वन वर्क इज इन द राउटर इज आल्सो दिस इज नोन एज द DSCP. तो राउटर इज ऑटोमेटिक अलॉटमेंट ऑफ IP टू द क्लाइंट. राउटर हैव फैसिलिटीज this but work only after when receive instruction by the manager. राउटर के पास में यह सुविधा होती है या उसका क्वालिटी है कि सभी क्लाइंट को ऑटोमेटिक IP देता है, लेकिन यह काम तभी करता है जब हम उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन देते कि हे राउटर तुम्हें ऑटोमेटिक IP देने का भी काम करना है. तो अगेन रिपीट कि राउटर automatic facilitate allotment of IP to the user, but it work only when receive instruction by the operational manager जो भी इसको मैनेज करता है, ठीक है ना. So now just go directly the practical in this network. Earlier, like here tablet PC, I no allotment of IP here. So this is the no IP address is here. Okay. In your my computer, this is the my real computer. Just click on this computer, go to the network and sharing center and change adapter option. Go to the properties. This is a real computer. If you want to check where allotment IP of computer, you can see this way and just open this pop-up screen and go to the TCP IP. Currently already discussed the standard internet IP address is the IP4. Whole world communication by the IPv4 in current time. IPv6 is the just introduced and try to the all IPv4 in IPv6, but it takes some time. It may be there. In this case, you can see here IP is automatically in place of automatically. It is allotted by the manually. Okay. So in the IP manually 10 row and depth gateway and some is DNS is also. We discussed DNS also. So first, how to IP allot automatically. ठीक है. So in this case, कैसे करना है? In this computer, it is now our project. Go to the IP address. Here is the manually allotment of IP. Okay. This computer allotment of IP manually. इन दोनों में manually किया हुआ है, but in computer में in this computer there is no IP. So now I go to the facilities to the router, allotment of IP, this PC, this client, this user automatically. इन कंप्यूटर्स में राउटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन देने जा रहा हूँ, हे राउटर तुम्हें आईपी अलॉट करना है, ये भी यहाँ पे है. कैसे करना है? जस्ट गिव क्लिक ऑन दिस राउटर, LTTC सर्वर राउटर, go to the configuration mode. How to go? Enable conf t. Now you are in configuration mode. Now I just give the instruction to the router by the command. What command? IP DHCP pool. हे राउटर तुम्हें एक DHCP pool बनाना है. और what? Give name. In computer science या any work, definitely if you want to save something, so give the names, give the ID something. अगर आप कंप्यूटर में कोई भी काम करते हो तो आपको नाम लिखना पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने MS वर्ड में काम किया, प्रोग्राम किया और नाम नहीं लिखोगे तो काम हो जाए. नाम लिखना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ you can give any name, doesn't matter. You put your name, no problem. Here I just make for DHCP pool LTTC. What is meaning of this command line? Meaning of this command, this line is very simple. I give the instruction to the router. Router, you are ready for DHCP pool. That means automatic allotment of IP for LTTC computers. मैं राउटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहा हूं, हे राउटर तुम्हें DHCP का काम करना है. ठीक है ना? Router, okay, I am ready. Router just agree, okay, I am ready for the automatic allotment of IP, DHCP facilities to our users. What required in this case? In this case require in IP address, just click here. They are required the IP network ID. Which network IP allotment? And most important is the gateway. So now click. What is instruction for the gateway? Default hyphen router. Hey router, your gateway is the meaning of default hyphen router. This is the gateway instruction. Router. So what is the gateway? In this case, you put gateway for this IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay. Router, just press enter. First line IP DHCP pool. Router, you ready for given automatic allotment IP to the customer. Second line, your gateway default hyphen router 192.168.1.1. This is the gateway. Third, which network IP address will be allotted? What is the network? Which network? Here in all computer, which network belong? This belonging to the network ID. This ये जो कंप्यूटर है इनको किस नेटवर्क का IP देना है? जो भी नेटवर्क ID है यानी 1 तो next line we fire which network? Network What is the network ID? 192.168.1.0 space with subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and press enter. Now do right. It is very simple manner. Just this facility is automatically available in your router. Just he wait your instruction, then it work. ये सुविधा राउटर का मेन क्वालिटी है. ये काम तभी करता है जब हम उसे इंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं. ओके, तो now this is working. Now check, go to this computer, not allotment IP, go to the desktop. In my computer automatic word is there, but here in the simulator he show DSCP. Just click on this 1.5 automatic allotment of IP DSCP. Okay, in the PC3 again here DSCP, click automatic allotment of IP. In the same manner in the real world, router Wi-Fi, router modem, router switch. So you connect the Wi-Fi, but in the current time your Wi-Fi by the software manner some facilities will be adopted of the router. आपके घर में या हॉस्टल में जो राउटर लगा होता है, जो स्विच लगा होता है या वाईफाई लगा होता है, बेसिकली वो राउटर वाईफाई होते हैं, राउटर स्विच होते हैं. तो राउटर जो वर्ड है, यानी कि राउटर की एक क्वालिटी, जैसा कि मैं अभी बता रहा हूं, ये वाली क्वालिटी ऑटोमेटिक अलॉटमेंट आईपी करने का ये सुविधा अवेलेबल होती है उस वाईफाई में, इसीलिए वो राउटर वाईफाई बोला. नॉर्मल वाईफाई such facilities is not available, but router Wi-Fi, because in the software manner in this Wi-Fi this facilities is available in your Wi-Fi. This router is known as automatic allotment of IP router Wi-Fi. So in your at your home when you connect Wi-Fi, so your Wi-Fi automatically able to give allotment of IP by default to user. So now this all computer, you can check laptop automatically allotment. This is also automatically allotment. Okay. If I already yesterday communicate, so now this check here. Okay. Okay. Successful. Same from this now working, because now this laptop, tablet, each and everything have the IP allotment. So they will be communicate, no problem. So now in this case, complete 100% communication is going on. So this facility is by default available in the router. Okay, just give the command and router is going for this work. Okay, so hopefully you are all are now understand. Just give instruction, this facility is automatically available in at your home. By default router configuration available in your Wi-Fi. घर पे जो वाईफाई लगा होता है ये पहले से ही कॉन्फ़िगर. इवन हमारा जो मोबाइल फोन है, इन माई मोबाइल फोन इट आल्सो राउटर मोबाइल you can say, because in this current time our smartphone by default in the software manner installed in your mobile phone, already installed during the purchasing. When you make hotspot, so your mobile phone act as a router Wi-Fi. If you connect hotspot your phone to another computer, so that they receive first IP address from your mobile phone, then go for the internet. हमारा जो फोन है जब हॉटस्पॉट बनाते हैं तो हमारा उस समय जो मोबाइल फोन है वो राउटर वाईफाई की तरह काम करता है और वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको आईपी अलॉट करता है. ठीक है ना. और कीप इन द माइंड इन द वर्ल्ड देयर इज टू थिंग, वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. पूरी दुनिया में दो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती हैं. देयर आईपी इन द वर्ल्ड टू प्लेस वेयर नेवर गिव automatic allotment IP. Two location that never give DSCP or you other word automatic allotment of IP. Which location? First is the router port. दुनिया में दो ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनकी आईपी कभी भी ऑटोमेटिक नहीं होगी. एक तो राउटर का पोर्ट और दूसरा जो है सर्वर. आर यू नो व्हाट इज द सर्वर? सर्वर मालूम है किसको बोलते हैं? कोई एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाट इज द सर्वर? अमीशा, ऑलरेडी वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सर्वर। सर्वर के बारे में क्या हम लोगों ने बात की थी? Amisha, my question is that कि I just tell you to you, all of you, in the world there are two locations where never given automatic IP. First is the router port and second is the server. So Amisha, question for you. Are you know what is the server? Server क्या होता है मालूम है? Just tell me. अनुराग, are you there?
सर, जो
Yes.
हमारा आईएसपी होता है वो सर्वर बोलते हैं।
किसको सर्वर
जहाँ
बोलते हैं?
आईएसपी सर, जहाँ से इंटरनेट मिलता है हमें।
उसको सर्वर बोलते हैं। ओके, एनी मोर? बाकी लोग बताएं। आस्था, आर्नव, जस्ट टेल मी, जो भी आपको आता यू कैन राइट। प्रिया, आर यू नो व्हाट इज अ सर्वर? सर्वर किसको बोलते हैं? वर्षा, टेल मी व्हाट इज द सर्वर?
सर
यस।
सर सर्वर होता है जिसमें सारा डेटा स्टोर होता है एक सेंट्रल एरिया में, जिससे सारे वेबसाइट से उन सबको डेटा मिलता है।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है हर्ष, ओके, दैट्स ओके। और मोर एंड थिंग सर्वर। वर्षा, आर यू देयर? टेल मी व्हाट अबाउट सर्वर? आर यू नो व्हाट इज द सर्वर? ओके, निशा, रागिनी, okay. Varsha is just telling कि system that provide data and resources. Okay, don't worry. I am very simple language. What is the meaning of the server? Please listen carefully. I explain in the both language. First I tell in Hindi, then we tell in English. सर्वर क्या होता है? फर्स्ट आप ध्यान से सुनिए, आज के बाद कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा। आप किसी व्यक्ति को इंजीनियर बोलते हो, किसी को डॉक्टर बोलते हो, किसी को स्पोर्ट्समैन बोलते हो, किसी को पॉलिटिशियन बोलते हो। वाई? आप किसी व्यक्ति को अल्टीमेटली क्या है? दे ऑल आर ह्यूमन। somebody you tell engineer, somebody you tell he is the doctor, he is the politician, he is the sport person. You are just telling that human by their profession. Why? Because they are dedicated to for a particular work. All are student, you are all are student, आप सभी student हैं। I am why telling you are all student? Because you are now all are under studying, आप studying कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, एजुकेशन में है, ठीक है। आप आजकल पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, यू आर ऑल आर स्टडी, ऑल आर स्टूडेंट। तो यू आर डेडिकेटेड फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर वर्क, दैट विल बी की यू आर योर नेम एज पर योर डिफाइंड एज योर पर योर वर्क। आपका जो काम है उसके हिसाब से आपको बता देते हैं। तो सिमिलरली एनी कंप्यूटर डेडिकेटेड फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर वर्क, दैट कंप्यूटर इज नोन एज सर्वर फॉर दैट वर्क। अगेन रिपीट, किसी भी कंप्यूटर को हम सर्वर तभी कहते हैं जब उस कंप्यूटर को एक पर्टिकुलर काम के लिए डेडिकेटेड कर दिया जाए। वर्क डजंट मैटर, एनी टाइप्स ऑफ वर्क पॉसिबल, कुछ भी काम हो सकता है। एनी कंप्यूटर आई डेडिकेटेड फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर वर्क फॉर 24 आवर्स कंटिन्यूअस वर्क, दैट कंप्यूटर दैट टाइम इज नोन एज सर्वर ऑफ दैट वर्क। उस काम के लिए सर्वर कहलाएगा। तो नाउ इट इज वेरी क्लियर, बिल्कुल मैं क्लियर कह रहा हूं। सर्वर कोई एक काम नहीं हो सकता। सर्वर मतलब कोई भी काम आप अपने कंप्यूटर को डेडिकेटेड कर दो, उस चीज का वो सर्वर कहलाएगा। इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, as your college get entry, there one PC installed, and this PC dedicated for taking attendance of all of you due to help of the software and due to the biometric machine. It may be facilities, but that computer is dedicated for a particular work. So that time your computer is known as attendance server. Same, your computer is dedicated for the website work, so your computer is known as the web server. So similarly, this work here, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारा जो IP address allotment of IP address है, actual work by the router. If I take here some computer and this computer is dedicated for a particular work, hey computer, you just go for allotment of IP to this one. So this computer, that is known as the DSCP server. So server is nothing, any work server dedicated for a particular work. तो बहुत ही क्लियर होना चाहिए कि कोई भी कंप्यूटर किसी पर्टिकुलर काम के लिए डेडिकेटेड कर दोगे, वो उस चीज का सर्वर कहलाएगा। इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है। सर्वर कुछ भी हो सकता है, अटेंडेंस सर्वर, DSCP सर्वर, DNS सर्वर, ए लॉट ऑफ सर्वर पॉसिबल एज पर योर डिजायर वर्क। आपका जो भी काम उसके हिसाब से संभव है, ठीक है ना। और there are two types of IT company in the globe. One is the software development company, mostly private organization company like TCS, Wipro, Mahindra Tech, come in the college campus and make a campus selection for all of you. So by default, they are basically such types of software developed for the server computer. मेरे अपने, if I want this computer make a server, so definitely for that particular work, software required. So this software developed by this private IT organization company like TCS, Wipro, Mahindra Tech, ठीक है ना। तो for BSNL basically user of the server, but not developer of the server. BSNL is ISP, BSNL एक ISP है। ये यूजर, एक कस्टमर का जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहे हैं उसका यूजर है, लेकिन इसके सॉफ्टवेयर परचेज कहाँ से करेगा? TCS से, विप्रो से, महिंद्रा टेक से, लाइक दिस डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ठीक है। So now hopefully ki are you understand what is the meaning of the server? This is nothing, simple one computer, you just purchase the software for a I think net is break. Again repeat, server is nothing, simple, any computer purchase some software for a particular work. What types of particular work? Many types of particular work is possible. See, if you want this computer automatic allotment of IP, so you can purchase a computer and place in your network, and that software purchased by the company install in your PC, and this computer is ready for the automatic allotment of IP. So this PC is known as the DSCP server. Okay. Hopefully, what is the meaning of the server? Server is generalized answer for all of you. Any work may be dedicated to any computer. That time that computer is known as the server. Okay. So in this project, we just add on more. Here in this LAN, just allotment of IP all this computer by the router. Now load of router, because router main work is the communication between local LAN to outsider LAN. जो भी हमारा कंप्यूटर है इसको यहाँ से निकलकर बाहर की दुनिया में कम्युनिकेट करना, इट इज द मेन वर्क ऑफ द राउटर. ओके, फ्रॉम LAN टू अदर साइड. So we try to the reduce of the load. In this case, because the router already told me starting the 5 lakh up to 27 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore. So just avoid damage of the router. We just purchase server computer within 1 lakh 50,000 and dedicated for a particular work and saving a money and time. सर्वर जब अगर राउटर खराब होगा तो भाई बहुत महंगा पड़ जाएगा, तो हम उसकी जगह पे कंप्यूटर लगाते। तो क्या करना है हमें इन दिस केस, जस्ट हियर ओके router is dedicated for the IP DHCP. Now here some more add. From this network, just like class button, delete and try to the server DHCP from this location. So again, just if I want more than one computer, definitely one switch is required. I remove here also and connect this PC, this Wi-Fi from this network. So now remove here. Now this is a part from this side, okay? And take a cable from this fast Ethernet there. This connected to the PC. I just here in this network allotment of IP by the DHCP server and also discuss in the DNS. DNS will discuss tomorrow. Just today make one computer network here. मैं क्या करूँगा, इधर तो ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है, तो सेम चीज मैं दूसरे साइड बना लेता हूँ ताकि यू कैन इजिली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन डायरेक्टली राउटर एंड बाय द सर्वर DHCP वर्क. ओके, व्हाट इज द DHCP, यू आर इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड की ऑटोमेटिक अलॉटमेंट ऑफ IP ना. तो मैं यहाँ पे काम करूँगा इन इंडिविजुअल. नाउ हियर आई गो टू द थर्ड नंबर ऑफ PC. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक सर्वर, ये सर्वर के समान है. क्लिक हियर. Why icon of this computer is different from this normal computer? Because in the normal computer there is no server types of software is available, but in a server PC a lot of server work software is available, and this software purchased from the TCS, Wipro, Mahindra Tech, a lot of you well known software development IT company. Now I take one another server and one more server, just making here. These all are computer, but symbol of server because there is software available as per your requirement. Server 0, just I modified. This is the DHCP server. I make, or already told all of you, in the world there are two things. Their IP address is never automatic. So these are server. First is the server, second is the router port. This router port never given automatic allotment, and this server is never given automatic allotment of IP. Always static and manually. So this network is the 2.0. So IP address we can take 192.168.2 dot. इन्हीं में से कोई एक ले लो, मैं 5 ले लेता हूँ. And same time we another server, DNS server. We discuss what is the DNS. 192.168.2.10/24, and third is the web server. This is the website server. Allotment of IP 192.168. This is a 2.15/24. Okay, this is a manually designed. I take they are installed the server PC, and this PC have different server, have the different work. DHCP already well known. DHCP का तो पहले ही मालूम हो गया आपको कि part work of the DHCP, automatic allotment of IP. Now connect. These are all connected by the switch. This is another line, na? ISP side line. And connect here another. लास्ट में जो है उसको भी आप कनेक्ट कर लीजिए यहाँ पे, ठीक है. These all are server, तो इनको ऑटोमेटिक नॉट गिवन बट IP allotment manually. You can see this is a normal computer, and if you are go physical config desktop custom, very minimum thing, but you have click on the router, you can see another facilities available services. In the normal computer there is no service option, but in the server computer service option. I click here service, so you can see here different server types work. STP one, STPP server, DSCP server, TFT server. These are different work. As per their work, their name will be available. Okay. So first, this is server. So first, go for the each server. Automatic IP allotment is not allowed. So manually click on this. As per our planning, 192.168.2.5 subnet. What is the gateway? Gateway is the same. 192.168.2.1. DNS server 192.168, because now DNS server is available as per your new diagram. 2.10 ये हमने डाल दिया. अभी जो हम सर्वर है, सर्वर को हम लोग स्टैटिक आईपी नहीं देते हैं, सॉरी डायनेमिक आईपी नहीं देते हैं, स्टैटिक आईपी देना है. ऑलरेडी मैंने क्लियर कर दिया है. राउटर पोर्ट एंड सर्वर ऑलवेज मैनुअल आईपी. ओके. और प्लानिंग के हिसाब से मैंने दे दिया. अब मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक करता हूँ डीएनएस में, इसको भी देते हैं डेस्कटॉप 192.168.2.10. ओके. गेटवे this is also same 2.10. One question for all of you. Basically, this is the DNS. In the DNS line, it is mandatory to give an IP address in the DNS line. ये DNS खुद ही है क्या? इसके DNS वाले लाइन में 192.168.2.10 लिखना जरूरी है, देना जरूरी है. इट इज मैंडेटरी. आपका सिक्स सेंस क्या कहता है? यस या नो? पहले बताइए, देना जरूरी है, यस या नो? यस. अमीर साहब, क्या लगता है आपको आईपी देना चाहिए या नहीं देना चाहिए? इसके यहाँ पे देना चाहिए. वर्सा इज राइट. ओके. अनदर पर्सन? अमीर साहब, आपको क्या लगता है? ये तो खुद ही डीएनएस है, तो क्या हम इसको आईपी दें या ना दें? Just I told one story in Hindi, then we explain English. एक धोबी था. सबको मालूम है धोबी वो होते थे पहले जो कपड़े तालाब में धोते थे. Old time, there one person, they related to the cloth washing on the various type of nearby river, nearby the well, कुएं के पास जाते थे, करते थे. तो वन दैट पर्सन वो क्या किया कि अपने साथ जस्ट कम आउट फ्रॉम होम to the nearby location, service location, go to the 10 गधों के साथ गया, 10 एस के साथ गया. ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे जो 10 गधे था, इन व्हेन रिटर्न बैक, जब लौटने लगा तो जस्ट सिट बैक अपॉन वन एनिमल के ऊपर बैठ गया वो. एंड काउंटिंग स्टार्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. देयर आर टोटल 10. he just sat on one animal but not count sitting animal. तो sitting place उसको गिनता नहीं था. तो क्या होता था in this case? they are confused कि where is the 10th number. So same time each and every in electronics world, in the computer world, in the network world, it is mandatory to each and every device given the IP address here. Otherwise he all time confused like that person. उस तरह से confused रहेगा. तो ये देना बहुत जरूरी होता है. 192.168.2.10. now and last is the web server. Click on this desktop. Again give the manual IP 192.168.2.15 subnet 192.168.2.15 gateway 2.1 and DNS server 192.168.2.10. right? So now these are server manually IP allotment. This is a DSCP computer. So by default, what happen when I give the packet tracer software all of you, what you do, just download and install your PC. So similarly, from big software develop company, we purchase as a BSNL, as a Jio, as a other ISP. This software we not develop, we just purchase such types of software from software developed company, TCS, Wipro, like the BSNL mostly software is that purchased from the TCS, Tata Teleservices, Consultant Services, and this software just like similarly purchase and install in your PC. So similarly, you install on the computer server PC, and such icon will be there like a packet tracer. After installation, there will be icon available on your desktop computer. So server software may be installed either Windows company, either Linux, either Apple, doesn't matter. But mostly in India, tradition to for the server computer, Linux software is used. But never confuse. You can make software any Windows, either Windows, MS Windows, either Linux, either Apple phone. But by default, in the world, server PC is Linux PC. Okay. So similarly, you just think this is the Windows PC like packet tracer, install the software, and there will be icon available on your desktop. When click on icon, we are just install and just make a setup. So already this software is installed in this PC. Just we make a setup. So click on this computer, DSCP server, go to the service, DSCP. So my computer just asks setup. The first question is that default gateway. You just make 9.2.168.2.1. Next button click, then it come. In this case, they are not required next button, but in the real computer, because it is simulator, so everything you just single windows. But in the real world, one by one, this step will be going for. Okay. Next is DNS server available here. So you can put here 192.168.2.10. What start IP? If you are don't think right here, so automatically your server PC design reserve remaining IP, how many IP from 1 to 254 in this case because /24. But if I put 20 here, the meaning of this is very simple. IP address from 1 to 20 is not given to any client. This is the reserve IP. In your network, it is mandatory some IP make a reserve. So if I put 20, so definitely 1 to 19 is reserve IP, and this IP you can use for the router port, you can use for the server if you make in your network, because this IP are not given to any client. अगर आप नेटवर्क के अंदर कोई कंप्यूटर बना रहे हो, सर्वर बना रहे हो, तो DSCP बनाओ तो कुछ आईपी रिजर्व रखनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि राउटर के पोर्ट को सर्वर के पोर्ट को मैं आईपी नहीं देना है, राइट? तो मैं बीच का अब इसको मैं सेव करूंगा एंड फाइनली सर्विस ऑन एंड सेव. ओके, नाउ चेक दिस टैबलेट, refresh here, click on static DSCP. So as per now this IP allotment given to here, 20 is reserved, 21 and onward. Same time, go to this smartphone, 22, okay? And this computer, here is the manually IP, now DSCP, this allowed. Okay, I save this project. Again, summarize today's session. In the today's session, we discuss about how to allotment of IP in your network to your client user. You have two options. One is the via router. This is the main work of the router also. But due to the remove load of the router, we make a server. Help of the server, you can also allot the IP. आप आज के सेशन में हम लोगों ने DSCP कैसे बनाया जाता है, इसका इस्तेमाल कैसे किया जाता है, ये हमने डिस्कस किया. पहला था राउटर के माध्यम से, दूसरा हमने सर्वर के माध्यम से. राउटर को ज़्यादा लोड ना देना पड़े तो उसी तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर हम अपने एक सर्वर कंप्यूटर बनाते हैं, उसके अंदर डाल देते हैं और उसको फैसिलिटेट कर देते हैं. सेम एट योर होम इन वाईफाई, नॉर्मल वाईफाई, they not able to allotment of IP to any client. Before 2011, if anybody at your home purchase the network internet, so their mobile, their Wi-Fi have no router type. So in that time, router modem will be set by the in the nearby ISP. पहले क्या होता था ना, जब आप इंटरनेट लेते थे तो मॉडम को वहीं से खरीदना पड़ता था और सेटअप करके लाना पड़ता था. आज की डेट में already router Wi-Fi, router modem, so don't need to the any setup. By default software manner it is available in your Wi-Fi. So please read out this session again. Tomorrow we discuss in the same line what is the meaning of the DNS, and up to network level course is over for tomorrow, and then 2 session for the security. So final 2 more 3 session maximum required, hopefully up to Saturday each and every week. And after Saturday, on the evening of the Saturday, 2-week participant getting the certificate. Any question, any doubt, you can ask. किसी को कुछ पूछना हो तो पूछ सकते हैं. इस वीडियो को दोबारा देखिए और पूरे चीज़ को कंप्लीट बनाइए. कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो अलग से आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं और इसका फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं. पहले दिन वाला 2 वीक को तो सिर्फ कॉन्टैक्ट क्लास है, रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे तो आई विल साइन, मैं कर दूंगा, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड जो 6 वीक के हैं उन्हें तो थोड़ा ये पूरा बनाना ही है. 4 वीक या 6 को उन्हें पूरा रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे. आई विल शेयर ऑल PPT ऑल JavaD इन योर ग्रुप. ओके, अभी कुछ पूछना हो तो यू कैन नॉट, अदरवाइज लीव द सेशन. ओके.